What is kindness? Where does that come from? And can you create these situations or these tools and these materials in such a way that people practice little bits of kindness along the way?
It's going to be with me forever that I've shopped for so many families. They were just complete strangers, and by helping them every week for 6 months, I now count them as friends.
I don't think I am a very kind man. I just think I'm doing what everybody should be doing. You know, this is a way of life to me. It's not something I just put on just to sell a few more cars. This is something I do.
For them to meet people who are just interested in them as people, one-to-one, is so refreshing after all they've been through. That's really what they want. Kindness in the sense of humanity and generosity and people helping each other. We're done just because we're humans and we want to help each other out.
Research has shown that kindness encourages increased energy levels, positive perspectives and emotional well-being in the workplace.
The more time I'm giving, the more I'm actually getting back out of it myself. The happier I'm feeling, the better off I'm feeling, my well-being is massive just by giving up a little bit of my time.
A week before lockdown, we lost my husband to a brain tumour. We've got a strong community here, and I have to be completely honest, if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have survived lockdown or losing my husband.
Family doesn't have to be by blood. People look out for each other and people know the meaning of actually being kind to each other. It's not just how you're doing, but you don't really want to listen to what the answer is. It's actually, yeah, how are you doing? How's this happening? And actually practically working out ways that they can help, even if it's a small amount or a massive amount. It could be something very tiny. People understand that if you chuck a pebble in the lake, you get ripples, and those ripples affect things.
Being intentionally kind inherently brings out positive qualities in others and helps us promote the environment we want to work in.
He's an 8-year-old boy who goes to Ysgol Castell. He's famous through Cydweli as an eco-champion with working through the community, and he constantly goes out to actually sort of improve the local area and sets a fine example as a young man to his peers, to adults and the community as a whole.
If you are kind in just the way that you do something, or the way that you give something, or the way that you say something, or the way that you think, or the way that you be, then that is an incredibly powerful change within oneself, within one's family, within one's community, within one's country, within the world. And I love this idea that kindness is within that.
It's a bit like throwing a stone into a still pool, isn't it? We just don't know how far those ripples go. And that's the same with any act of kindness, really.